In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear text formatting in Mailchimp. When you paste text from documents or websites into Mailchimp, it often brings along unwanted fonts, sizes, and colors. Clearing formatting resets that text so it matches your email's design, keeping everything clean and consistent. It takes just a moment and helps prevent mismatched styles that can make a campaign look unpolished. Start in the Mailchimp email builder and click directly on the text block that contains the content you want to clean up. Clicking the block opens the inline editor and reveals the formatting toolbar at the top of the block. If you don't see the toolbar, make sure your cursor is inside that block. Next, highlight exactly the portion of text you want to reset. You can drag your cursor over a single word, a sentence, a paragraph, or the entire block. Only the selected text will be affected, so choose precisely what needs to be cleaned. If part of the text already looks correct, leave it unselected so it stays as is. With your text highlighted, look to the top bar for the Clear Styles icon. It looks like an italicized capital T with a slash through it. If you're unsure you have the right button, hover your cursor over the icon and you should see a tooltip that says Clear Styles. Click it once, and the selected text will immediately revert to your template's default styling. What does that mean in practice? Mailchimp removes inline formatting like custom fonts, sizes, colors, and emphasis that were applied directly to the text. The text will adopt the default typeface, size, and color defined by your email theme for that block. This action affects only the highlighted text inside the current block and won't change other blocks or content in your campaign. A couple of quick pointers can make this smoother. If the Clear Styles icon appears grayed out, confirm that some text is selected. The button only activates when text is highlighted. If the toolbar still isn't visible, click once more inside the text area to activate the editor. Clearing styles won't delete hyperlinks or special merge tags. It simply removes the visual styling. And if you clear more than you intended, you can immediately undo the change using the editor's undo control. That's all there is to it. By clicking your text block, highlighting the text, and using the slashed italic T icon, you bring your content back to the clean, on-brand look defined by your template. It's a quick fix that keeps your emails consistent and professional every time.